4, 3, 2, 1, start. Making triple talaq unconstitutional is one of the most historic moves taken by the Indian Parliament. Generally, human rights are equated with more freedom and progress. However, it becomes pertinent to note that conferring rights do not always result in liberation. Stanza. Triple talaq became illegal in India on 1st August 2019, replacing the triple talaq ordinance promulgated in February 2019. The Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Marriage Bill 2019 passed on 26 July 2019 after a very long discussion and opposition finally got the verdict for all women. It makes instant triple talaq in any form, spoken, written, or by electronic means such as email or SMS illegal and void, with up to 3 years in jail for the husband. Stanza. Muslim family affairs in India are governed by the Muslim Personal Law Application Act 1937. It was one of the first acts to be passed after the Government of India Act 1935 became operational, introducing provincial autonomy and a form of dictatorship at the federal level. It replaced the so-called Anglo law previously operating for Muslims and became binding on all the Indian Muslims. Stanza. In traditional Islamic jurisprudence, triple talaq is considered to be a particularly disapproved but legally valid form of divorce. Changing social conditions around the world have led to increasing dissatisfaction with traditional Islamic law of divorce since the early 20th century, and various reforms have been undertaken in different countries. Contrary to practices adopted in most Muslim majority countries, Muslim couples in India are not required to register their marriage with civil authorities. Muslim marriages in India are considered to be a private matter unless the couple decided to register their marriage under the Special Marriage Act of 1954. Owing to these historical factors, the checks that have been placed on the husband's right of divorce by governments of other countries and the prohibition of triple talaq were not implemented in India. Stanza. Triple talaq has been supported by All India Muslim Personal Law Board, a non-governmental body that supervises the application of Muslim personal law. It believes that the state does not have the right to intervene in religious matters. Stanza. It issued a code of conduct in April 2017 regarding talaq in response to the controversy over the practice of triple talaq. It also warned that those who divorce for reasons not prescribed under Shariat will be socially boycotted, in addition to calling for boycott of those who use triple talaq irresponsibly and without justification. In addition, it also stated that it should be delivered in 3 sittings with a gap of at least 1 month each stanza. The bench that heard the controversial triple talaq case in 2017 was made up of multi-faith members. The 5 judges from 5 different communities are a Sikh, a Christian, a Parsi, a Hindu, and a Muslim. The Supreme Court examined whether triple talaq has the protection of the Constitution if this practice is safeguarded by Article 25 in the Constitution that guarantees all the fundamental right to profess, practice, and propagate religion. The court wanted to establish whether or not triple talaq is an essential feature of Islamic belief and practice. Stanza. In a 397-page ruling, though 2 judges upheld the validity of instant triple talaq, the 3 other judges held that it was unconstitutional, thus bearing the practice by a 3-2 majority. One judge argued that instant triple talaq violated Islamic law. The bench asked the central government to promulgate legislation within 6 months to govern marriage and divorce in the Muslim community. The court said that until the government formulates a law regarding instant triple talaq, there could be an injunction against husbands pronouncing instant triple talaq on their wives. Stanza. The above case, which was decided by the Honorable Supreme Court, was a controversial maintenance law suit in India in which the Supreme Court delivered a judgment favoring maintenance given to an aggrieved divorced Muslim woman. Then the Congress government in an election year gave into the pressure of Muslim Orthodox and enacted a law with its most controversial aspect being the right to maintenance for the period after the divorce and shifting the onus of maintaining her to her relatives or the Waqf board. It was seen as discriminatory as it denied the right to basic maintenance available to non-Muslim women under secular law. Over.